Do-it-yourself videos can feel cheap, even if you have great gear. Hey there, I'm Michael Fugate, and I help business owners create videos that look professional and actually work. If your do-it-yourself videos aren't landing, let's talk about why and what you can do instead. You might have the best camera, perfect lighting, and a trendy background, but somehow your videos just don't land. Here's the reality. Most business owners don't realize how much time, energy, and opportunity they're losing by doing it all themselves. How many hours did you spend on your last video and still feel like it didn't reach its potential? Today, I'm gonna break down exactly what's happening behind the scenes, why it matters, and what you can do instead. Now, I'm not anti-DIY video for businesses at all. In fact, when I'm talking to my clients, I almost always recommend that they do-it-yourself videos. There's a time and a place. But as business owners, we're in tune with costs. How much does it cost to get supplies? How much does it cost to run an ad? How much does it cost to hire a videographer and an editor? There's another cost that's kind of under the radar though that we don't often think about, and that's the hidden cost of do-it-yourself video. Hidden cost number one is time. You see a simple video another business did, it looks amazing. You think, hey, I'll pull out my cell phone and replicate this thing. We'll have one for our business in no time. 6 hours later, you're still filming. You're trying to sound positive on camera, even though between takes, you're super stressed out.
We'll do it live!
After all that, now comes editing the thing. You finally get it done a year later and it still doesn't hit the way your competitor's video does. That's the time cost of do-it-yourself video. Hidden cost number two is decision fatigue. There's a lot of things to consider when you're making a video. Where should you shoot it? How should it look? What about lighting, angles, pacing, cuts? Each tiny choice adds mental load to you. By the end, your creativity has been drained, your video still isn't finished, and your mental energy for your business is gone. Hidden cost number three is opportunity costs. What could you have used those same hours for instead? Could you have reached more leads? Could you have improved your product? Could you have focused on strategy? Could you have served more clients? Every hour you spend troubleshooting video is real dollars lost. And finally, hidden cost number four is quality and retention risk. A professional videographer and editor doesn't just save you time and energy. They notice subtle things that you're probably gonna miss. Things like pacing, beat timing, lighting mistakes. These details make a really huge difference in the end. They're invisible, but your audience feels them. So what do professional filmmakers and editors actually see? Well, from my experience over several years, when editing a talking head video, for instance, we're making dozens of micro decisions, pacing, timing, emphasis cuts, things that you probably don't notice, but your viewers subconsciously do. We also consider viewer psychology. It's not just about what looks good, it's about what your audience experiences, what your audience feels. Things like eye line and spacing and color and rhythm, all of these details impact engagement. Another thing that's gonna be on a pro's radar is retention strategies. A professional is gonna structure your content so viewers stay engaged from the start until the finish. We're always thinking about what is the client's goal. Your video isn't just about looking good. It's about moving viewers toward your goals, right? So whether that's booking a call, signing up for a service, engaging with your brand, a professional videographer and editor is gonna be thinking about those things from the moment they start filming until the end of the edit. So should any business be doing their own content? I know some of you guys really love do-it-yourself content, and that's great because there is definitely a time and a place for it. Not just where it's acceptable, but where it's, in my opinion, necessary and very important. Do-it-yourself content is perfect for quick social media posts, maybe an Instagram story, or timely responses to something that's trending in your industry, or humanizing your brand. You're at your daughter's birthday party and you pull out the cell phone. There's gonna be times and places where you don't have a videographer following you around all the time and you pull out your cell phone and it really humanizes your brand. So yes, do more do-it-yourself content. But what professional content does is it represents your brand, and that's quality, that's style, that's storytelling, and how you engage with your audience. So what's the right approach? Well, I tell my clients all the time, combine both. Use professional videos for strategic, high-impact content, and do it yourself for personal, authentic, timely content. Hiring a professional isn't gonna be more expensive than the hours that you'd spend doing it yourself anyways. And it's gonna get you better results, and it's gonna do so in less time. So I say find a professional that you can really partner with and mesh well with. If you want, I can send you a free guide showing business owners exactly what to look for when hiring a professional video partner, so you can get the best results that you actually need without wasting all that time. Comment the word Pro Guide below, and I'll send it to you personally. Or if you're ready for consistent results, we can set up a quick chat to see how professional video can amplify your business. The key takeaway here is your videos can look and perform far better without sacrificing time, energy, or results. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing. I share practical insights on making business videos that actually work without wasting your time. See you in the next one.